Hello everyone, I'm just doing this video to give you a quick overview of my first mobile application using Flutter. And if you guys don't know, Flutter is it's a framework, it's a front-end framework written completely in Dart, and I believe it is backed by Google. Flutter is a really easy framework to understand, and I've been learning it for the past couple of months. I wanted to give you guys a quick overview of that my first complete application. So this is the first page right here. The first screen is the landings. It's the authentication screen, and the authentication is the authentication backend is made completely with Firebase, and Firebase is super easy to configure, and they have a great package that is very easy to understand. All right, so after I log in, it's going to take you to the main screen once I get authenticated. So this is the main landing screen, and pretty much this application is an application that helps people who are into streetwear and shoes maintain a good overview of the shoes that they have in the collection. So yeah, this is the first page, and these numbers and everything that you're seeing here, this API I built completely on my own, and what I did was I used StockX. I use StockX and I scrape all of the data from this for the application. So it's really simple. So this is basically the same items that you usually see on the StockX main page. And in the upcoming tab, there is the it's pretty much like a calendar that tells you what items are releasing. And right here is pretty much it's a simple form to add any item to your collection, and right here is an overview of the whole collection. So to add an item to the collection, you go in the add tab, and let's speak let's do something random like I don't know, Travis Scott Air Force One. I think, wait, I made some spelling errors. And let's do a size 11. All right. Once you add the item, it fetches the item from the StockX API and it adds it to your collection. So if I go right here, you will see the item in my collection, which are these shoes right there, size 11. And the cool thing is, if you click on your collection, you get an overview of how many sales and what's the highest bid and the lowest axe of the item. And this is a cool little pie chart. I think that's Flutter chart. I can't really remember, but yeah. If you go into sold, you can say, let's say you sold it for $400, and then you can save that item to your sold collection. And now, if you open the main drawer on the side and you go in sold items, you will see all of the items that I've sold in the past. All of these items are test items, but here's the item that we just added to the list. And up here is a small overview, like I've sold 8 items. The total retail value is this amount, and this is the average retail per shoe. This is the total reselling value of all the items that I've sold, and this is the average reselling cost for each shoe, and this is the total profit. If I click on the switch right here, toggle chart, it gives me a overview of a bar chart, but I have not customized it yet, so it's still work in progress. But yeah, this is pretty much it. The main drawer, I haven't had the chance to have the ability for users to pick out a profile image and such. But yeah, this is the app, and these are the packages that I'm using. So I'm using Provider to uh to to pretty much take care of state management. I'm using HTTP for the authentication and communicating with the StockX API. I'm using the flowchart. It's one of the things that I use for the chart. I use the URL linter to pretty much open the default browser if someone want to look at the item. The image picker, obviously, I'm going to use it so people can use it to people can pick out their own profile picture. And provider, I don't think I've used it yet, but I'm gonna use it. Sure, I might be using it. I'm not sure, but that helps with the sessions and managing user sessions. And Firebase storage, obviously, I'm using this Firebase storage to keep information about items in the user's collection and items that the user save or sold. And the the this package right there is I'm using it to pretty much it's it pretty much provided me with this widget right here that's almost like a slideshow that's um going through it each image. And yeah, that's the main packages. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave any comments. And yeah, hopefully I will be able to release this app on the App Store. But I don't have an Android phone, so I need a MacBook. But hopefully I'm getting a MacBook soon. All right, thank you.